Hi, world changer, history maker, said. I see you have an interest in our coaching group on Facebook. You're welcome. Well, in this group, it's full of like minds, and we are here to support you on your personal development journey. We are going to address topics like goal setting, personal finance, changing your mindset. Yes, we'll be inspiring each other, reading books, a lot of recommended resources, and the whole point is being in an environment where we can be as a catalyst for each other to develop. And my name is Keroy King, aka Mother Eagle. Most of the ladies call me Mother Eagle, and gents too. And I'm based here in Los Angeles. I've lived here for a long time, since 1999. And I do have a degree in finance. And a little about my story. When I graduated from college, I expected a big job waiting for me. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. I had a lot of debt, and I had to figure a way out. And in the process of searching and looking, I started Life Then Finance. Life Then Finance was started in 2011. And from there, I've been sharing and teaching. So I am a financial educator, and I do a lot of inspirational speaking as an empowerment expert. So you're welcome. If you've seen many of my videos and my teaching style is resonating with you, well, join the group. At the bottom, there is a button to join the Facebook group. It's very easy. It's only $1 to start. Serious members only, please. And $1 for the first 30 days. Try us out to see if this group is for you. Then after that, it's $29.99. This is a monthly membership for support, ongoing support until you reach your highest calling. Well, this is Keroy again. I'll see you in the group. Click the button below. Talk to you soon. Bye.